Welcome, this is Jackie Coleman, and I will assist you in using the Missouri Connection website to use the resources in the site with your students through the sophomore seminar class. You should have a packet of information that you can follow along with the presentation. To access the website, go to www.missouriconnections.org. On the front cover of your packet, there's a username. Enter your username. Usernames are not case sensitive. And you're going to enter a temporary password, and it is capital R E S E T P A S S W O R D 1. That's reset password 1, and it was provided to you by Robin when she gave you your username. Click sign in. You'll be prompted to answer 2 security questions. Set the questions. You'll be prompted to reset the temporary password. Select a password that you can remember, and you'll be asked to enter it twice. Passwords have to be at least 8 characters, containing at least 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter and a number. The next time you enter the system, you would use the username and the permanent password that you just set. You're now on the site administration tools. This page helps you manage and organize and run reports. The report tab, portfolios, other accounts, customize, and help and links. We're not going to go through the depth of information under each of these links. But this is the administration side of the system. I want you now to go to, if the word show is visible, you'll have to click show in order to get to the tab that you can go to CIS. This is the student view of the portfolio. It's also where you can begin to work through all the various components within Missouri Connections and begin to determine, with the assistance of Robin, those type of activities you'd expect your students to complete in the seminar class. I'm going to return now to the site administration tools. To do that, you go up to where it says return to, back to site administration, and now we're able to do several functions to assist you in starting your groups. I'm going to first look for my portfolios to see how many students are already in your site, the Hickman site, and have portfolios. To do that, you go to portfolios. You want to view all the portfolios in the site. Click search settings, because we only want to look at those students that are in the graduating class of 2017. After you determine the graduation year, you want to generate the list of students. There are 435 sophomores already with portfolios in the site. So this allows you to see if your students are there. If there are students that are not in the site, notify Robin, and then she will work to assist you in creating a portfolio for the missing students. Or in some cases, these students might be at Rockbridge or Battle High School, and we can transfer them to your site. The next step in the demonstration, we're going to look at how to create a group. I'll go back to the toolbar, and I'm going to come to Portfolios and Groups, and we are going to add a new group. You have to name your group. My group will be Coleman Seminar. I will add the group. Now I'm ready to add the accounts and to add the portfolios, the students that are in the site, the 435. You will select from that list those students that are a part of your seminar class. I'll get the graduation year again, generate the list, and here are the students that are in the site. The next step will be to select the students that are on your roster so you can add to your group. I am going to click Add to Group. The names that I selected will come up again. I'm going to select them all, and then you check Administer the Group. It allows you to, when you log in the next time, to see your group at the top of all the groups that have been created. To determine if the group has been adequately set up, return to View, Edit Groups, and on the list of all the groups in the site, you'll see Coleman Seminar Group. It's at the top, and these are the students that have been added to my group. If a name is not in the site, be sure to contact Robin, and we will search the sites throughout the state and within your district to add those names that are missing. The next demonstration is how to reset passwords, because this is sometimes you will have to reset the passwords of students. When you're beginning to set up your groups and bring students into the computer lab, Robin will be available to help you go through the process of having them a certain username and password. You can see the username now, but you can never see the password. I'm going to show you how to reset a password. Click Reset. The screen appears. Do not, and in the packet that you have, there's a step-by-step on resetting. Do not generate the password, because this is an auto-generated list. We want you to put in temporary 1, or you can put reset password 1, because anytime you give a person a password, it has to be temporary so they can log in and then create a permanent one. Take off the reset the security questions, because you don't want them to have to take the time in class to reset those. Then you click Reset. The next step, you would then give to the student their username, their temporary password, and then have them create a permanent password. And that permanent password has a certain configuration that Robin will share with you when you all go to the computer lab and get your students started. We've gone through viewing your portfolios, where to find them. You sort by the graduation year. We selected the graduation year. We also went through how to create a group. You have to name it first, and Robin wants you to put your last name and then the word seminar, and then you go through the process of selecting the students to go in the group. I'll go through a quick review of how to access your portfolio. You have to, if the word show is visible, you click it, and it will then give you the tab to return to your portfolio. This is your portfolio. Any work that you do in the site, assessments, you can take assessments, you can explore occupation. Click on occupations, and you begin to explore your occupations. Anytime you're on a screen and you see the word save and click save, it goes into your portfolio. Your portfolio is identical to the portfolio that the student has, so this is an opportunity to begin to explore all the richness of the Missouri Connection site. To return to the administration side of your portfolio, click Site Administration, and now you're going to navigate the site as an administrator. There are helpful links all throughout the site, and one thing you want to check is help and tutorials, and all throughout each one of these components, the help and tutorial link will give you instructions. One very important link is that if you need assistance and Robin is not available, you can click on Contact Us, give us your email and detailed explanation of who you are and what your needs are, and the Missouri Connections User Support Office will assist you. Thank you for participating in the webinar. We look forward to you using the site, and lots of success on your seminar class, sophomore seminar class.